All right. We are live. And this is going to be 2014 Panini National Treasures Baseball eBay Break Box 1. I'm going to screen share everybody in the break. We got Ryan C. with the Diamondbacks, Travis F. with the Braves, Brad P. with the Orioles, Ben R. with the Red Sox, Ryan C. with the Cubs, Brad P. with the White Sox, Joe A. with the Reds, Greg P. with the Indians, Ryan C. with the Rockies, Brad P. with the Tigers, Mike W. with the Astros, Greg P. with the Royals, Ben R. with the Angels, Nicole Y. with the Dodgers and the Marlins, Ryan C. with the Brewers, Tyler S. with the Twins, Nicole Y. with the Mets, Brad P. with the Yankees, Tom N. with the Oakland A's, Rodney R. with the Phillies, Ben R. with the Pirates, Ryan C. with the Padres, Ryan B. with the Giants, Brad P. with the Mariners, Steve D. with the Cardinals, Tom N. with the Rays, Ben R. with the Rangers, Tom N. with the Blue Jays, and Brad P. with the Washington Nationals. All right. All right, guys. Left or right? Left, right. Left, right. First to three. We got two for rights. Right it is. Let's rip some fire. Look at this guy. Look at that guy. What do we got in there? We're going to open up that one last. Fat Pack is right. What do we got in there? It's hopefully a bat knob.
That would be sweet.
All right. Out of 99 for the Mets, David Allen Wright. For Nicole Y.
Yeah, Nicole.
Whoa, baby. Oh, baby. Look at this guy.
Oh,
Yogi Berra,
no.
Lefty Gomez.
Oh, no.
Dual patch, 17 of 25. Look at that.
Oh, my God.
Worth that. Pretty sure they were both Yankees. But I'm going to pull it up after the break just to double check. But that is sweet. Oh, baby. We got another duel for Pittsburgh and for Chicago. Honus Wagner and Frank Chance. 20 out of 25. Dual bat relic. Look at that.
Whoa. God.
Look at that card.
Oh, my God.
103 runs. So it's for Pittsburgh.
That's insane. That's beautiful.
Ben R. And then Chicago, I'm assuming it's the Cubs, which would be Ryan C. But I will look that up after also. And we will do a random for this card. This is sick.
Mm-hmm. I love those.
Wow. For the Pirates, out of 25, 3-color patch,
Ooh.
Andrew McCutcheon. Look at that.
Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Good Pirates.
Ben R. Congratulations, Ben. We have a redemption here for Xavier Bogaerts. We're going to look this guy up. This case is on fire right now.
Red Sox.
For the Red Sox, Xavier Bogaerts. So that is going to Ben R. Congratulations, Ben R. Signature's gold. That is a nice card. That is a really nice card. For the Tigers, out of 99, Corey Newble. Look at that. Brad P. That is sick. Oh, baby, look at this patch. For the Marlins, Andrew Henne.
Oh,
Out of 99. Look at that.
wow.
Look at these nasty patches we're ripping.
Wow.
Look at that patch.
Is that Marlins?
Yeah. Congratulations, Nicole.
Wow, she's clean.
Yeah, Nicole is doing good. Oh, baby. For the Oakland Athletics, congratulations to Tom N. for Mr. Reggie Jackson.
That's awesome.
6 of 10.
Look at this.
6 of 10 on-card auto.
Wow.
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 Wow, wow, wow.
Look at that picture, too.
Look at that card. And then the booklet, 25 out of 25, Bob Gibson, St. Louis Cardinals.
Wow.
Look at this book.
Whoa.
Look at this book. 25 out of 25.
Oh my God. Whoa. Look at that. Steve D. Whoa.
Yeah. Congratulations, Steve D. Look at that. Okay. I'm going to look up these two cards first before I open this other pack because there's definitely a bat relic in there. Look at that. Yeah, this is the Yankees. So this is, yeah, Lefty Gomez and Yogi Berra. He's going to go to Brad P. That is an insane card. Look at that. Look at those. Wow. So that's going to Brad. Good pickup, by the way, Brad. Okay, so yeah, so this goes to the Cubs and to the Pirates. So I'll random this off after the second box. So the Cubs and the Pirates. So Ryan C. and Ben R. These cards are insane right now. Want to say a special thanks to blowoutcards.com. They're the distributor for my baseball cards. Look at this popping out. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. All right, first up for the Reds, Mr. Chapman. I saw this guy pitch when he was in the minors, and he is insane. Mr. Joe A, congratulations. Wow. Out of 99 for the Orioles, Mr. Cal Ripken Jr.
Whoa.
Nice patch.
Brad P cleaning up.
Yeah. Brad P going to town. Wow. For Chicago, Willie Cam, 1/1 bat knob. Oh, baby.
Mickey called her. Was it Mickey or
Yeah.
somebody did? Mad Pave.
I'm going to look him up, but I'm pretty sure it's the Cubs. But wow.
Let me see.
1/1. This is insane. This card is insane. Uh-oh. It is not for the Cubs. It is for... This is the White Sox. So Brad P. Holy.
Whoa.
Brad, if I was you, I would leave after this break and go buy a couple scratch-offs and maybe a lottery ticket or two.
Yeah.
Because this card is absolutely insane. Look at that bat.
Whoa.
That's insane. Look at that. That is insane. This is one of the nicest cards I've ever held. All right, trying to move on now. Out of 99 For the Reds, Rachel Iglesias, made in Cuba. On-card auto game patch. This is nice.
Whoa, that is nice. I like the flags.
I'm gonna look him up and make sure he plays for the right team. It says Cincinnati. I'm assuming it's the Cubs.
Reds.
Or the Reds. Out of 99 for the Mariners, James Paxton. Congratulations, Brad P. I'm saying your name a lot tonight.
Wow, that's a nice one too.
Notable nicknames, Matt Adams. Who does he play for? I'm going to have to look him up too. I think it's the Reds. Oh, St. Louis. It's the Cardinals. Steve D. Congratulations, Steve D. This is a nice card.
Sounds like Cubs.
Hmm?
Iglesias is Cubs.
Did I say that?
I don't know. Oh wait, no.
The Reds.
Pitcher for the Reds. Yeah.
So yeah, this card's going to the Reds. Joe A. Like this one too. Out of 99 for the Mariners, Taijuan Walker. On card auto. That is nice.
Nice.
Brad P again. That is a nice card. I love these flag cards. These flag cards are so sharp. I love that they did this with them. Oh baby. And a diamond card to go with this. This box is insane.
What?
For the Cincinnati Reds, 10 of 20 diamond card,
Whoa.
Mr. Pete Rose. We are ripping fire tonight. This is insane.
For the Reds again?
Yeah. For the Reds,
Damn.
Joe A. That is a nice card. Look at that. Look at that. So pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Nice card. And to finish it off, 22 out of 25 for the Dodgers, Mr. Yasiel Puig.
Ooh. Oh.
Look at that. Look at that book. Nicole Y. Clean it up.
Wow.
This is sweet. That's awesome. I just want to show that again because this is my first bat knob on our first National Treasures box. Look at that. That is so sweet. All right, let's do this random. So who is it? Pittsburgh. And what did I say? The White Sox? The Cubs. Frank Chance.
And the Yankees.
No, what?
No.
Cubs. All right, so this is the Cubs, Ryan C, and Pittsburgh, Ben R, for this 20 out of 25 league leaders card. If you guys aren't familiar with randoming, it's random.org. I'm going to put your name through the randomizer 8 times. And then who's ever on the top after that will get the card. Okay? Pull up random.org. There we go. Ben R and Ryan C. We're going to put it through 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Ben R. Congratulations. This is pretty. Thank you for everybody in the break.